In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a visitor counter to your Google site using a simple and effective approach. This process will help you track the number of visitors to your site, providing you with valuable insights into your audience's engagement. Let's dive in and walk through each step together. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google site. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the Google Sites homepage. Once there, find and select the site where you want to add the visitor counter. By accessing your Google site, you're setting the stage for integrating interactive and informative elements, making the site more engaging for your audience. Now, the key component to adding a visitor counter is utilizing a third-party service, elfsight.com. This website provides a variety of widgets that you can embed into your site. To begin, type elfsight.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the site loads, use the search function to look for visitor counter. You'll see various templates pop up. Select one that matches your site's aesthetic or functionality. After choosing your preferred template, click the Continue with this template button. Once you've selected your template, you'll see options for customizing the visitor counter. Here, one of the most important configurations is choosing what to count. You have the choice between unique visitors and each page view depending on what insight you wish to gather. If you want to know how many different individuals visit your page, opt for unique visitors. On the other hand, if you'd like to know all interactions, including repeat visits, choose each page view. Adjust the number format to suit your needs as well, ensuring that the counter reflects the data in a way that's easy for you to interpret. When you're satisfied with your choices, it's time to publish. By clicking Publish, ElfSite generates a code for you. This code is what you'll be embedding into your Google site. Copy this code as you'll need it in just a moment. Head back to your Google site where you're going to embed this freshly generated visitor counter. In Google Sites, navigate to the page where you want the counter to appear. Then click on Embed, followed by Embed Code. Paste the ElfSite generated code into the provided field and click Insert. This action places the visitor counter on your Google site, visible to all your users. And there you have it. The process is complete. By following this straightforward guide, you've added a functional visitor counter to your Google site, empowering you with the ability to monitor engagement and gain deeper insights into your audience's behavior.